and welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults. I'm Alessia. Today it's all about stretching our legs, so we are going to get straight into the tendus. Tendu, let's go with tendu. Tendu means stretched. Stretch of the arm, stretch of the what? Stretch of the leg. All right, because every time that the leg goes out and it does a little with the foot, it's stretched, all right? So we tendu our leg, we stretch our leg forward, side or back on whatever position it is required. Starting by, like we learned before, hands on the bar, elbows relaxed. The two legs are always stretched. From here, imagine that we are pushing a little kitten with our heel and our toes stay behind. So we stretch and we push the little kitten away, and then we just take the little pinky and it goes pinky and coming back. Let's try it with the other side, yeah? So we stretch our legs, very important, yeah? I've already seen you doing this. Look at my popo. My popo doesn't go out. It comes back in. The popo stays where it is. So imagine your hips are on rails, all right? The rails never kind of wobble. Very important. We push the kitten forward and the pinkies come back. Let's try it with the other leg. The pushing of the leg forward and the pinky comes back. Very good. To the side, we don't go pushing anything with the heel, but is our big toe that is drawing that straight line onto the ground, and then you have an orange in between the legs and you want to squeeze the orange. Yeah, let's try it out with the other side because two legs is double of the fun. That's what happens. Yeah, we go out to the side, drawing the line onto the floor, coming back in. I'll teach you how to go to the back as well, even though it's a little bit tricky. Remember, the hips are on rails. This time the kitten is right here, right? Can you see it's right here, right behind where the pinky is. So what you want to think of is the little pinky pushing, yeah, the kitten away, and the knees are stretched, exactly because that's what tendu does. And then coming forward is the inside thigh that wants to attach itself to a wall. Oh yes, shall we try it again? Think of the little kitten. The kitten, we push the kitten away, very delicate, yes? And then the inside thighs want to come forward. There you go. Have you noticed that the movement of the ankle is quite natural? And probably your foot has a little bit cramped up as well because we are finding new muscles under the foot as well. It's all new stuff. It's very normal for the body to just go, what are you doing to me? So let's try with the exercise for tendu. I will explain it to you and then we'll do it together. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there. So you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. The exercise goes like this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, preparation in the music, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your hands onto the bar. And we're gonna go 1, flick the little toes because they want to be pointed as well. Yeah, stretched as well. Come back in. We do it 3 times, our magic number. Yeah, coming back. And then we go out, out, in, we plie, and we stretch. We take the same 3 to the side, coming back, side, coming back. Be really careful. We don't want the popo to go out and tendu from the side of the leg. We still want the big toe to be facing up the ceiling, yeah? And then come back in. 3 times, plie. The hard one, going to the back. Back, popo stays down, not forward, down. Think of the tailbone, think of the tutu. If it's too much up or if it's too forward, this is what the tutu does, yeah? We don't want that. 3 times, we go plie and we lift up into a slow rise new step, and coming back. Yeah, so we lift our heels, still squeezing everything, coming back down. And then we repeat everything on the other leg because we go right and then we go left. Prepare your hands here. Let's do it with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, in, out, in, out, in, plie, and stretch. Very good. To the side. Keep on smiling. Shoulder relaxed. Very good. Breathe, plie, squeeze. Nice. To the back. Remember the kitten. Back. Back. And plie. And stretch. Slow rise. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go of the bar. Good. Breathe. Hands down. Start with the left leg. Kitten. Toes. Kitten. Kitten. Toes. Kitten. Toes. Plie. And stretch to the side. Good. Relax. Breathe. And in. Out. And in. Plie. To breathe. To the back. Kitten pushing kitten. Heel coming forward. Pushing kitten toes. Rise. Lifting, lift, don't look down, don't look down. Keep on looking up. Good. Very nice. Let go. Let go. Coming back down. Finito. Arms down. I know sometimes we need a little bit of coordination, but you did brilliantly. Also, let me know in a comment down below how it went and how you felt. But you are ready for the next step? Brilliant, so let's glisser our legs. You know what it means? Show me then.